So guys, in today's video I'll be giving you this beautiful praise bass line you can use for a simple progression, okay? And I'll be giving you a passing note to attach to it, okay? So if you're interested and you want to spice up your praise groove, this is the right video for you. But before I start the breakdown, I do private class lesson. If you want to know more on how to groove, if you want a simple bass line for a simple progression, just DM me on WhatsApp, okay? You see the link in the comment section below. Click on the link to take you direct to my WhatsApp, okay? So guys, grab your bass and let's begin with the tutorial. I am shooting this video that is 12 getting to 1 a.m. here, if you can see on the camera. Yeah, so this is because recently we are having this light out in my country, okay? And this is stopping me from bringing out more lessons to you guys, okay? So I want you to support my ministry by tipping me a little so that I can get there is something we call a portable power machine, that in case if there is no light, you can use that to power up maybe something, okay? So I just want to get that device so that I can be able to power up my studio if there is no light, so that I can be able to shoot video anytime and produce to you guys, okay? So if you want to support my ministry, you'll see the link in the comment section below. Click on the link, or if you're in Ghana and you want to do same, you see my MTN Momo, you can just tip me. Any amount is gonna do, okay? So guys, let's jump into the main lesson. So now let's understand the progression. So da 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 da. Okay, so now let's look at the bass line to each progression. So it goes like this. Okay, so this pattern you're going to apply to every progression, okay? So on your one, so do, that is your 1 5 5 1 5 1 1. So 1 2 3 go. You understand? Okay, so when you've done playing the 1, now to your 6, then your 6, you understand? Okay, 1, and to your 6 you have 6 3 3 6 3 6 6. So remember, we are using the root and octave, okay? So 1 your root, 5 5 1 your octave, 5 1 octave, and back to your root. So you take it slow. To your 6 the same, okay, and to your 5, okay. So if in case you're using a 4 string, it is very simple. 1, you understand? Okay, so you just bring it here, okay, your 6 and your 5 and your 4, so that was what I played. So when I went to my 4, this was what I did. Bam 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 4. So you slide from your 1 3 4, then you can descend 4 1 5 4, okay, bam 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 bam. But remember that with this you need to add in passing notes so that it can lead you from a progression to the next progression, okay? So da, so you understand? Okay, so from your 1 to your 6, the same groove. Pass it on. So you play 2, 3, 5. Okay, then pa pa pa. Okay. So when you play 2, 3, 5, then you play 6 octave 6. Then you continue with your main groove. You understand? Okay, so don't get confused. Okay, so pa. So you can also do it this way: 2, 3, 5, 3, 6, 6. Okay, 3, 3, 6, 3, 6, 6, 6. You understand? I hope you are getting it. So 2, 3, 5, 3, 6, 6, 6. Okay, so pam 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 pam. The same you did to your 6, do it to your 5. Okay, so it goes 1, 2, 5, 2, 5, 5, 5. Then you continue the groove. You understand? Okay. Okay, so da 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 da. You understand? Okay. See? So just simple, or even on your 4, da, 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 da. You can also do that groove on your 4. Okay, so down your 4 1 4 1 4 4 4. Okay, but for me, I just want to stay bam 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 da da da, so that I can restart and know what I'm to start with again. You understand? Okay, but you can continue the groove at your 4 progression. Okay, so now let's jump into the next one and see. So this is a little bit tricky, but when you master it, you'll be able to play it. Okay, so the same progression: 6 5 4. Okay, so it goes like this. Let me break it down into phrases. Okay, the first one, okay, so let's look at the first one. That is on your 1 1 1 3 5. That is on your 1. Okay, you understand? Then now to your 6. Okay, then you have 6 6 1 3. Okay, 6 6 1 3. You understand? Okay, then to your 5 5 5 7 2. 5 5 7 2. Then to your 4, then you have 4 4 6 1. 4 4 6 1. Okay, so with this groove I was using these 2 fingers. That is your 1 and your 2. But your 6, this was how I played it. So my little finger on 6, first finger on 1, and my third finger on 3. So you see, then my 5 first and second finger, the same to your 4. So I did it this way. So now you bring in the octave. That is 1 1 3 5. That is on that 1 progression. Then you have 5 1 1. Okay, so this is the second phrase. So Okay. Dun, 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 dun. So let's look at both of them. 1 1 3 5 5 1 1. We do it again. Now to your 6 6 6 1 3 3 6 6. To your 5 5 5 7 2 2 5 5. Then you play 4 4 6 1 1 4 4. So remember that there dun, 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 dun. I am just using my little finger to play it. Look at it. You see? So you don't have to struggle. It's like you're playing do na da da. So this little finger is to guide you to play the dun 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 dun. Okay. So when you play both of them together, the second one. Again. You understand? Okay, so just master the groove, and master the progression, master the bass line, then you're good to go. Okay, and when you are practicing this for the first time, try to lower the song so that you can get the timing very well as you are going along with it. Try to hide the tempo little by little, then there you go. Okay, so I'll be seeing you guys this coming Thursday. If these people do not take their light, then I can do it, then I can bring out the video on Friday. Okay, so I'll be seeing you guys this coming Thursday. Bye for now. There is only one day. There is only one day.